How to join broadcast channel on Instagram. Broadcast channels allow creators to share updates with their followers. You can find and join these channels in a few different ways. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap on the heart icon to open your notifications. If you have been invited to a broadcast channel, you will see a notification here. Tap on it, and you will see a list of all the channels you have been invited to. To join a channel, tap on it and then tap Join at the bottom right. If you don't see any invitations in your notifications, you can also find broadcast channels directly from a creator's profile. Tap on the search icon at the bottom and type the name of the account you are looking for. Once you find their profile, look under their bio and profile link. If they have a broadcast channel, you will see it displayed with the number of members. Tap on it and you will be taken to the channel page where you can tap Join to subscribe to their updates. Not every account has a broadcast channel. If you don't see the option under a profile, that means they haven't created one yet. In that case, the best way to find channels is to check profiles of creators you follow or look through your notifications for any invites. That's how to join broadcast channel on Instagram.